feel like, am I talking correctly? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got some new to try for y'all today. Okay, so I'm actually trying this big old joint right here. It says women owned, Uptown Cocktails. Okay, I was actually looking for the new Sutter Home peach tea wine. Did y'all know they had that? I saw it on TikTok, but you know, I've been trying to find it, but I only saw it online, and to get that $8 bottle, to me, it's about $30 to $60 in shipping. I don't think so. Okay, so I went on and grabbed this joint because, you know, it's something like it. Wait a minute, 13.9%. Oh, wait a minute. This is a big old bottle. Good Lord. Are these like shots? There's like a little thing on it. Wait a minute. I don't think I'm supposed to be drinking it like wine. I must. Ooh, that's actual. Let me just do a little bit. Ooh. Okay, yeah, that's like brown liquor. Good Lord. I think I'm supposed to mix this because I don't feel like I'm supposed to be drinking this like this. Let me get one more sip though. That's enough. Oh, my chest is burning. I'm gonna mix that with something. Mama, tell me how you're supposed to drink that. But anyway, before we get into my install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Wig Types. It is from Outre, and it is part of their lace front series. This is the brand new unit by the name of Sephina. I got her in the color 3D RFF Vanilla Cappuccino, which is the one you see right here on the stock card. And this unit does retail around $35 to $45, depending on the site that you choose to get her from. The unit does come in specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. This unit comes with HD lace from ear to ear, a deep center part, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Now I would say this unit fits between big head associated and big head friendly. When I initially initially put this wig on, it was real tight. That's because I had the lace on the unit. When I cut the lace off, it did stretch the cap out a little bit, so I felt like I had more room, but it doesn't come down all the way onto my sides. So, you know, if I wanted to pull this joint all the way, you know, down onto my hairline, I wouldn't be able to do it with my dome. I am wearing my wig grip though, so that may take away a little bit of space. However, it allows me to wear this unit glueless. Okay, so I ain't mad at that. This is a high text fiber unit, so it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did use my blow dryer on warm heat on the top to get my flyaways together, as well as use my curling iron on low heat to kind of get my front together, just kind of press it down a little bit more. Now, even though it says 400 degrees is the max temperature for this unit, I was at 360 with my curling iron, and I felt that hair getting a little, like the texture was changing, like it was getting a little bit too silky. I would definitely say this is between it's definitely giving me like a semi-yaki texture on the bottom here, but on the top, I'm feeling more silky. Like the blonde hair seems a little bit more silkier than the brown hair, and I'm not really sure why that is, but I went on and got her together. Anyway, I got this color because of my girl Mika, aka Wigs to Waist Length. Mika slayed this color, and I was really excited to try it for myself, and I'm really happy that I did. The layers on me did fall pretty long, so you guys saw in my install that I went in and kind of just shaped the layers around my face. When my layers start to fall down here, it looks a little wonky on me. It just makes the wig look flat. I need some body up in here. And then you guys saw that I went in and teased this side to kind of give me some lift, and that's pretty much all I did to the hair. You don't get a lot of parting space or hairline as far as, you know, the width of it, or like, you know, the deepness of the hairline, but I did what I could, and I plucked out some of that hair in the parting space as well as around the hairline to give me a more open look, and I'm really happy that I did. It looks a lot more natural now, and I'm here for it. I do wish it came with a more open part. I mean, that would be real nice, but this is a cheaper collection for Outre, so I don't expect them to do a lot with the hairline or the parting space because they basically give us the colors for the cheaper price point. This hair does shed and tangle, but I didn't get a lot, maybe because I used my wide tooth comb and not my brush. I don't know, but you know, it worked out in the end, so you know, there you go. I feel like, am I talking correctly? I feel like that drink got me discombobulated. I don't know. I mean, all in all, she's a simple wig. It's a gorgeous color. At 28 inches, this unit is long, so if you want to chop the unit up to make it a little bit more shorter for you, you can definitely do that. I feel like this length right here, what y'all think? Tell me down below if I should cut this one or not. I feel like the shorter length would give me a little bit more body. I may get to slicing and dicing real quick. I may just do it. I mean, it takes a little bit of work to get like this, so you know, if you got the time, go ahead and check her out, okay? But if you don't, then you know, what am I doing? I'm not drinking that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Wig Types for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check this out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.